Here's our Dometic refrigerator, which has been such a blessing to us. It's awesome. There it goes. It's on freezer mode right now. Usually we have it on fridge mode. And here's our fridge with all the food in it still. And that goes underneath. There's some more space. Pretty big size fridge. And here's the nav station, of course, with radio. Ta-da! Electrical panel. There's a solar charge controller. And here's where our scuba gear and everything is. Ta-da! And then we go to our cabin, and here's the spearfishing gear. And then here's half cabin, where we sleep. And there is another bunk there, and we can totally undo all that stuff, storage stuff. And there's another sort of like table right there. That's also a storage area. And then the engine room. It's a bit of a mess, but that's a pretty big size engine room. And that right there up there is the air compressor. And that reaches all the way back to the galley, the kitchen. So that's it. Ta-da! We have more storage up here that we don't really ever use. And we'll probably use it when we have crew. This is where Michael keeps his clothes.